KUKA as a brand have sold over 700 friction welding machines globally that are used in operation. A lot of this desire for our expertise is due to the passion and skills from our engineering teams here. By working with the teams on site here in Birmingham, I'm looking to translate that wonderful innovation and engineering that they undertake, showcase that to our customers to understand how we can help them with their welding and manufacturing challenges. I'm Anthony McAndrew, Business Development Lead at KUKA Systems UK Limited, where I'm focused on friction welding technologies, in particular linear friction welding and friction stir welding. By background, I was a research engineer for many years, focusing on friction welding technologies and helping their implementation into industry, supporting a range of manufacturing challenges. About 6 years ago, I moved into a business development role, so the opportunity to join KUKA was very welcome. KUKA are a global leader in advanced welding solutions, and to be their representative for a process I've spent over 10 years developing for industry is very appealing. KUKA are a UK established supply chain partner with over 50 years of experience developing, engineering and applying friction welding technologies. From our classic rotary processes all the way to the new technologies we're pushing around linear friction welding and friction stir welding of steel. Seeing the passion from the engineering team here inspired me to join this team to help work with them to advertise these capabilities to our customers globally. We have a very diverse range of customers where we're supporting companies throughout a wide range of industry sectors, from oil and gas, renewable energy, aerospace, automotive, mining and heavy industry. And within those sectors, we're working with OEMs, tier ones, and all the way down to the small supply chain partners that fit into those industry sectors. KUKA have over 50 years worth of experience on friction welding and allied technologies. Our team here in Birmingham have a passionate and enthusiastic bunch of researchers, engineers, innovators and scientists who perform metallurgical analysis to ensure confidence in the parts we're producing for our customer base.